Struggling with hair loss can feel overwhelming, but did you know that natural remedies could be the key to healthier, fuller hair? Today, we'll explore effective science-backed methods that can help you prevent hair loss and promote hair regrowth, without the side effects of medications. Let's dive in. First, consider what your hair is exposed to daily. The water in your shower could contain fluoride, which has been linked to hair loss. Fluoride may also affect your thyroid, which plays a vital role in hair health. A simple solution. Install a fluoride filtering shower head to help protect your hair. Next, take a close look at your shampoo. Many contain sulfates, which can strip the hair of its natural proteins. Hair is mostly made up of protein, so this can weaken strands over time. Switch to a sulfate-free shampoo to help reduce hair damage and loss. Now let's talk about DHT, dihydrotestosterone, a form of testosterone that can shrink hair follicles and lead to hair thinning. Certain natural ingredients may help inhibit DHT production. Onion juice, for example, is a potent DHT inhibitor. Dilute it with water, apply it to the scalp for about 15 minutes, then wash it out. Green tea works similarly. Apply it in the same way to help protect your hair follicles. Another powerful ingredient is rosemary oil, which has shown promise in preventing hair loss. Massage it into your scalp and leave it on overnight before rinsing it out. Zinc is another crucial mineral for hair health. Incorporate zinc-rich foods like oysters, red meat, and eggs into your diet to support healthy hair growth. Apple cider vinegar is another old-fashioned remedy. Dilute it with water before applying it to the scalp to help unclog pores, balance scalp pH, and promote a healthy environment for hair growth. On a ketogenic diet or practicing intermittent fasting, hair loss may indicate a lack of protein or trace minerals in your diet. Add more seafood, shellfish, seaweed, or plant-based trace minerals to help your hair thrive. B vitamins are also essential. Nutritional yeast is an excellent source. Just be sure to choose unfortified varieties. If you have excess estrogen or hormonal imbalances, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower can help regulate these levels. Seaweed or iodine-rich foods may also support healthy thyroid function, which can impact hair growth. Selenium is another vital nutrient that supports thyroid function and hair health. Brazil nuts and seafood are excellent sources of selenium. If you suspect your thyroid is sluggish, avoid gluten, as it can be damaging to thyroid function. Stress is another major factor in hair loss. Increase your vitamin D intake or spend more time in the sun to help regulate cortisol, a stress hormone that can weaken hair. Regular exercise and quality sleep can also lower stress levels and support hair health. Silica is another often overlooked mineral that promotes strong, resilient hair. Drinking silica-rich spring water may improve the strength and growth of your hair, nails, and skin. For those with polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS, insulin resistance can contribute to hair loss. Reducing carb intake and adopting a ketogenic diet may help regulate hormones and prevent excess hair loss. Lastly, biotin is a key nutrient for hair growth. It supports the proteins that form hair's structure. Biotin is produced by gut bacteria, so if your gut health is compromised, biotin production may suffer. Sauerkraut, which is packed with probiotics and vitamin C, can help restore gut health and support hair regrowth naturally. By incorporating these remedies and lifestyle changes, you may see significant improvements in hair health over time. If you found this information helpful, please like and share. Knowledge is power to help others benefit as well.